Welcome back to Autocar, your trusted destination for all things automotive. Today, we take an in-depth look at the 2025 Toyota Innova Crysta, an MPV that's been a favorite among families and enthusiasts alike. With its stellar reputation and all-new design elements, the Crysta is here to set new benchmarks in the segment. Let's start with the exterior design. The 2025 Innova Crysta boasts a more sophisticated and aerodynamic look. At the front, you'll notice a redesigned trapezoidal grille with chrome accents, complemented by sleek LED projector headlamps and integrated LED DRLs. The bold bumper features a sharper profile with stylish fog lamp housings, giving the car a commanding presence on the road. The side profile is equally impressive, with strong character lines running from the front to the rear. 17-inch alloy wheels and a slightly flared wheel arch add a sporty edge. At the back, the redesigned LED tail lamps extend into the tailgate, adding a premium touch. Overall, the new Innova Crysta balances elegance and muscularity with precision. Moving to the interior, Toyota has elevated the cabin experience significantly. Stepping inside, you're greeted by a dual-tone dashboard with soft-touch materials and wood finish accents. The ergonomic layout places controls within easy reach, and the 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system takes center stage, offering wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The captain's seats in the middle row come with improved cushioning and recline options, making long journeys a breeze. The third row also offers ample legroom and headroom, suitable for adults and children alike. Ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and a state-of-the-art JBL sound system enhance the luxurious vibe. Plus, with 60/40 split folding seats, the Crysta offers flexible cargo space for your family's needs. Now let's dive into performance. The 2025 Innova Crysta comes with a choice of two powertrains. The first is a 2.4-liter diesel engine delivering 148 horsepower and 360 Nm of torque, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. The second is a 2.7-liter petrol engine offering 166 horsepower and 245 Nm of torque, mated to either a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic gearbox. The refined suspension setup ensures a smooth ride, even on bumpy roads, while the enhanced NVH levels create a quieter cabin experience. Fuel efficiency has been improved across both engines, making the Crysta ideal for long-distance travel. Let's talk history. The Innova Crysta has been a reliable companion for families since its debut in 2005, evolving from the original Innova to today's premium MPV. Known for its durability, comfort, and performance, it has dominated its segment for nearly 2 decades. Toyota continues to build on this legacy with every new iteration. Finally, let's discuss pricing and features. The 2025 Toyota Innova Crysta starts at approximately 19.5 lakh rupees for the base variant and goes up to 26 lakh rupees for the top-end model. It includes a host of safety features like 7 airbags, ABS with EBD, traction control, and a 360-degree camera. Additionally, the Toyota Safety Sense Suite offers adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and pre-collision braking. And there you have it, the 2025 Toyota Innova Crysta, a perfect blend of style, comfort, and performance. Stay tuned to Autocar for more detailed reviews and updates on the latest automotive launches. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.